Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something else from Massdrop again. I've been doing a lot of shopping on Massdrop. And just as a quick refresher of how Massdrop works, you sign up to their website and then you can join drops. So they have products of all kinds, and I do a lot of blades, knives, obviously. But after they get a certain number of people that buy in, the price goes down, and you can get something much cheaper than you could just buy elsewhere. Usually, sometimes the drops aren't really that big a price discount, but a lot of them are. So, anyways, I'll put a link, the referral link, down in the description below, and if you use that referral link, when you sign up and buy something, you get $10 towards your next purchase, and also the channel gets $10 towards a purchase for the channel. And then if I buy something with those credits, that'll get given away to one of the subscribers to the channel. So anyways, I'll put that below. If you decide you want to join, then great. Okay, so this is something called the Delica Blue Box. So we can go ahead and open it, but it's a Spyderco Delica, and it's a bit of a lottery. So there's a 60% chance that you just get a regular Spyderco Delica in here, but there is like a 15% chance that it's the next upgrade up, which is a Delica combo blade or a Delica with an Emerson wave on it. Then there's two with higher grade steels. The top one is the super gold, which it's only like a 1% chance you get that. And that was there was a stipulation on that where you had to have, I think, over 1,000 people buy in, and I think there were only 352. So I think it's pretty much this is not going to be the super gold. But anyways, we'll see if we get a upgraded Delica or if we get a standard one. Even if you get a standard one, then it's a bit of a lottery on the color. I think there's 3 different colors, so we'll see what we get here. So there is the Spyderco box, and I guess we'll do the big reveal here and see if we got a standard Delica or an upgraded Delica. Dun dun dun. Well, to me that looks like the standard with FRN handles and probably VG10 steel. Let's check that out, the steel. Yep, there it is. So it's a standard black Delica. Womp womp. Didn't get an upgrade, but still a good knife. I really like the Delica. If you saw my video on the Zome version, this is going to be largely the same, just black fiberglass reinforced nylon handles. There you go. There's the Delica 4. You got 4 different ways you can carry it. So, tip up, tip down, left hand, right hand. So you got all the options, which is nice. The knife itself, full flat grind, VG10 steel, really good steel, very corrosion resistant, and it fits the hand so nice. I love the way this thing feels. It's a nice small EDC blade. Really quite exceptional for, not a ton of money. I think this was $78, so it's a nice little knife, and I love the full flat grind. I mean, it's very slicey. I'll just show you here with the paper, but I mean, all the Spydercos come ridiculously sharp from the factory and just really slicey. You can get these little tiny curls with it, and those are super clean cuts. I mean, just a fantastic blade straight out of the box. And VG10 steel should hold edge for a good long time. I mean, I'm not going to do a retention test on blade retention test on here, but we're just doing paper tests to show the initial sharpness right out of the box. So we'll pull out the old Bud K catalog, and we'll cut on this Timberwolf, I guess, just to demonstrate how incredibly sharp that knife is right out the box. Just amazing. I mean, crazy, crazy sharp. Crazy sharp. So, love the Delica 4. I mean, you know, if you watch the channel that I'm typically a fan of big knives, but you know, for the small knives, yeah, this one's quite nice. And I do like that it has the color matched pocket clip on there. Normally, they come in that you know, satin finish, but yeah, look at the grind lines on that. Beautiful, nice even grind on the bevel. Just great knife. Okay, so I'm not going to labor this anymore. I mean, it's a very good knife. Did not get the upgrade, so there we go. It's a lottery. You're gonna, you know, 60% chance you're gonna get the standard. So that's what we got. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll do some more giveaways here coming up. So thanks.